Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create a talking avatar and we will use several AI to create that. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is create the avatar first, and here I will recommend you to try this Leonardo.ai or this pixellumen.com because they can create you and give you the chance to create the avatar free, and there will be grant you, for example, this Leonardo for the new user will give you the 150 credit, but since I have do the generation before the credit left are here 126. And for example, you can also do the sign up first and click this image, and as you can see I put my prompt over here, and also don't forget to set the model as the Phoenix 0.9, and you can just click auto dynamic medium, and you can choose the fast as the free option, and you can choose this ratio, and after that you can generate it and the result will be shown in second like this. And you can start to download, for example, this image or choose this image, whatever you want to do. And the second another AI to generate the picture is this Pixellumen. This also will give you the free access to create the or generate the picture. For example, I have put my prompt over here. You can just click create, and also don't forget to do login first, and after that you can choose the resolution and click generate. So the result will be show over here, and you can start to download it. And after that, this is the time to create the talking avatar. So the platform that I will recommend you is this Pipit AI video generator. And also don't forget to do the login first, and you can, as you can see here, that as the new user, this Pipit will give you actually the 150 credits, but there are 131 credits left, so it will be enough to do the creation next. So since we would like to create the AI talking, so I will choose this option. And it will direct you into the another tab. Then you can start to upload the photo that you have just generated from the previous AI before. For example, I will choose this, and you can manage the position of the face that would like to do the talking or the show the gesture of talking, and click done. And after that you can take this section that state that you are confirmed and agree about the term and condition, and you can just click next, and you can start to type something that you would like to that you want that this avatar talk about. For example, I want this avatar talking about this, and you can click save. Let this AI process the, let's say, about this prompt or the narration, and you can export or generate this avatar, and you can click this, and you can also edit the file name. For example, AI talking photo talents, and you can just see the with watermark or not, because there were no watermark for free version. Then you can just click it, but if you're okay to be embedded with the watermark, then you can just click it, and after that you can pick the resolution, recommend the quality, frame rate, and the format, and you can just download it and give the time to let this AI process this generation. So kindly wait until the generation process is finished. And finally, our video is ready to play. So let's see the result. And let's play it.
Do not waste the talents that you have received from God. Don't bury your gifts, grow them, share them, and use them to honor God. Do not waste the talents that you...
So it's amazing, right? So don't forget to try it by yourself to use this Pipit.ai, because it is very worth it to create the simple talking avatar. So that's all, guys. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe this channel, and I'll see you in another video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.